Today we are making the tree costume. For the costume we would need some different colored chart papers, green, brown and black, scissors, glue stick and stapler. Now take the green chart paper and just randomly draw a leaf shape. And then cut it with the help of scissors. We would require some different sizes of leaves. So here I have different sizes of leaves. Some are very small, some are big, just different random sizes. Take brown long strip for the headband. Now for the body I have drawn different sizes of strips on a brown chart paper. Then cut them with the help of scissors. These are different strips for the body part. Take black chart paper and just with the help of stapler attach it like this, make a round. Now take the bigger leaves and with the help of glue stick attach them on the headband. The brown strip, that long strip we had for the headband. Now attach the brown strips on the body part, the black chart paper. Just apply glue stick on the black chart paper and attach strips one by one. The headband is ready. Just measure the circumference of the head of the child and make a round with the help of stapler. Now to give finishing look to the body part, take the smaller leaves and attach them on top of the brown strips to give it more tree-like look, like so.